morning, good afternoon, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My mic looks weird. What up with that? Callum says Blue Apron has news on Amazon without a subscription. Welcome in, everybody. Thanks for being here. Let's get some music rolling.
FNHC.
Hope you guys are having a great morning so far. There we go. It is Tuesday, October 11th. Market's probably not going to do much until tomorrow's FOMC minutes and Thursday's inflation report. So we're probably going to be stuck in this just eternal chop fest until then. But it is what it is, I guess. Yeah, I see that. It popped to what, 290 almost? 289? How's it going, Callum? You doing all right, buddy? Something's up with my camera or something. Dice, yeah, what's up with Dice? Up 83%. Dice Therapeutics. Yeah, it is up on positive top line data from its phase 1 clinical trial. Interesting. Usually you don't get hardly any action off of phase 1. And it's for psoriasis. I mean, that affects a lot of people, yeah, but it's not like it's killing people, you know. It might be, I don't know. I don't think it is. I don't think psoriasis is killing anybody.
TMF.
What's up, Snacks?
CORZ.
I'm good, Callum. I'm good. They filed a 400 million shelf last week. Okay, that makes sense then. They're running it up.
Joby. Bach.
Let's see. Yep, S3 in effect as of last week. Actually, yeah, they filed it last week. It's in effect as of today. So they actually put the S3 in effect this morning before they released the PR. I haven't got there yet. This is just the intro. We'll transition to the charts here in a second. This is just where, you know, we're talking face to face, you know.
AQST.
Just communicating. But so, yeah, we can go ahead and flip over. So they filed the S3 back on 10/3, October 3rd, but then they released the effect form, which basically put the S3 like into effect. That's interesting. It says October 7th, but the PR came out this morning. They wanted to make sure to get that S3 in effect before they release that PR so they could run it up and drop a nasty old offering. I was literally playing Apex Legends right before this. Like, my game ended at like 7:59. Hey, AC, what's up? You're right. I mean, it could offer at $20 a share and the stock run to 100. That's about how the market is. Google chose Coinbase to accept crypto payments for cloud services. Interesting.
SCPH.
So Bitcoin up a little this morning, 19.1. It was down to the 18s again. Market bounce from... So this right here would have been 52-week lows. But it doesn't. It hasn't printed it in, open yet. But that would have been 52-week lows. If we can hit pre-market lows again today, intraday, that'll be new 52-week lows for the market. Let me pull it up here so it's a little bigger. Looking terrible. We are still over that weekly 200. But it kind of sucks that it went down to it, had a strong candle off of it, but sold most of that away. And now it's testing it again. We're down to the levels this was at October of 2020. So 350 should be really, really strong. And I would say, as strong as 400 was, but 400, the week that it tested it is the week it broke it. Like, it just went straight through it. So we'll see about that. Discipline. What's up? What's up? What's up? Good morning. Yeah, I got apron up. And it'll be better if somehow the market has a good day, because it seems like when the market has a good day, the memes have a good day, and for some reason apron's like connected to the memes now. Apron and Fubo are like the new meme stocks. But apron did have, okay, IMVT. Oh yeah, I remember that. Yeah. For the daily. Yep, it's like a little flag forming here. It needs to break over 10. This is a very thin one if I remember correctly. Apron had an offering somewhat recently, I think. Or maybe it was bad earnings or something. Something negative. No, it wasn't offering. $15 million at the market. Let me see first what the offering price was. Nope. No. What does the US Amazon store mean? Does that just mean Amazon?
JBLU.
15 million at the market. Okay, so yeah, it didn't release the price then. That's not terrible, considering this is like a more on the real side of a company than a lot of the shit we trade. $15 million isn't crazy. But this looks good. Even this, Blue Apron X Amazon looks good. Why does it say in the Amazon store? Does that just mean like their Amazon store? Actually, let's just go look. Let's go to Amazon.com/Blue Apron. Oh, there it is. 2-person kits and 4-person kits. Guess we'll do for 2. Okay, hold on. I don't think News Edge is gonna have the best browser. Let's get it.
TMF.
Garlic chicken and sausage pasta. Enchiladas and cheeseburgers. Kind of a weird combo. I thought Blue Apron was associated with Walmart for some reason. Wasn't it? I could have swore it was. $3.25 per share. Okay, you found it. Good job. Yeah, I couldn't find it for some reason. I went to like 3 PRs and couldn't find it. Yeah, I thought Blue Apron had this like Walmart affiliation to it for some reason, but I guess not if they're on Amazon now. Walmart should have locked that down with, you know, Walmart Plus or whatever. But let's see, levels on Apron. It should have a gap in the daily now. No, it doesn't. It sort of does. So 3 is going to be the first big level. Yeah. Just 3 was the support here, roughly. It broke below it. It's been on a steep decline. So I'd say 3 to 3, you know, 25, 335 here. It's your first targets. And then maybe up towards, you know, 375, 4. Yeah, it's not one that really likes to run on its own. It's kind of one that either... And the only time it did run on its own was when the food stock started running during COVID. When you got Apron and you had like WTRH and all the other food stocks because everybody was stuck at home. And it made sense. You know, people are going to be ordering something. Whether it's going to be Uber Eats or DoorDash or Grubhub or, you know, Blue Apron. Whatever WTRH was, that was just a penny stock that kind of caught, but Ghost Kitchens, remember Pixie's Ghost Kitchens? Oh my god. Freaking Pixie. That's a good stretch. You ever get that really good stretch when you wake up and your leg just starts like shaking like a dog? Those are the good ones. Those are the real, you know, you've hit the stretch just right. You can get that uncontrollable shake. All right, so Apron volume has disappeared already. Dice still pushing higher. Actually made a new high here. Low volume. I wish I could get the volume on here somehow. Let's see. How do I do that? I just want to say today's volume. Is that hard? It shows up on Laser was order from the Navy. Yeah, something else had news from some branch of the military last week, and it ran. Yeah, it didn't look too bad. It got some big upper wicks here, but it's kind of flagging. I'm not. Okay, this is starting to take off a little bit here. But look at the spread. Like, where's the bids? Where's the ask? I mean, there's 400 on the ask. The float on Dice must be like 36 million. No. This looks like 3 or 4. Average volume 400K. That's not gonna make a huge difference. Hey, Jordan, good morning. What was that off? What was I talking about? I completely, like, derailed just now. Dice, the level 2, laser, blue apron. Joby, Albo. Yeah, even this says 29 million flow. No way. That doesn't look right at all. I mean, I guess maybe up at $50, a 29 million float looks a little smaller. 29 to 35, whatever it is. Looks a little smaller than usual, maybe. I'm not sure. Top loser today is Hap, down 20%. CRKN, Neuro. Yeah, I got a little volume spike there on the apron. Trying to push up a little bit. Dice at 50. Let me back the matrix out a little bit. Oh yeah, I was trying to find the volume. That's what it was. Dice up through 50. This is on a phase 1 trial of a psoriasis drug. Hey, Mike, what's up? Good morning, Mike. Phase 1 doesn't usually do anything, but like we said earlier, they did drop an S3 like a week ago, and they dropped the effect for the S3 this morning. So this is more than likely the offering run up for Dice. Oh yeah, so my level 2 shows volume today, but I can't figure out how to get it on my matrix because I can't fit a level 2 on that screen.
TMF.
Volume total. Let's see if I did it. There it is. Okay, I figured it out on my other screen. So you just go to settings, columns, quote bar, and then you go and add volume total to here. So I can move this. Maybe not. Columns, quote bar. Maybe like right there. And open that up a little bit. So Dice. Net change up $22. Volume total needs to go up one more. And then net percent change, honestly, would probably be cool too to have. Let's see. Yeah, there we go. So we got the ticker, the price. I actually don't even need net change. I need net percent change. I don't care how many dollars it's up. Okay, don't need that. There we go. All right, ticker, last price, net change, volume total, and then it would be my position, size, open P&L, close P&L, total, yada yada. I got it. Okay. Copy window. paste one. Hey, Berkey, what's up? Yeah, apron pushed up towards 280 actually. Nice little shove there. The market is kind of pushing up a little bit, which is helping it. Like I said earlier, apron really doesn't like to go really on its own very much.
BTBT.
That's one I haven't heard in forever. BTBT. Remember that? Used to run with, it didn't really hit though. It's a crypto stock. Blue Apron, yeah, it's up a little bit here. Got a little volume spike that shoved it down. So if you picked up the knife back to almost even on the 1 minute, you're riding pretty good. Even if you got like 255, 260, you're setting pretty nicely here. I mean, it tried to dip several times. They dipped it here, it got bought up, and then they tried to kill it right here, and it got bought up. So it is up towards 280 now. How far is it going to go? I don't know. Don't have that answer. Before, I mean, in a follow-through consistency, yada, yada, yada market, I could tell you like, oh, this thing, no doubt about it in my mind, this thing's going to 3 or whatever. But now, I mean, you break out over 280, go to 281, and then you're at 265 the next second, and then you trade sideways at 265, dip a little bit to 260, and then hammer up to 290. It's just, you know, it's just jagged. No pattern nonsense now. But it is trying to flag over the 270 level towards 280. And I'm looking at this on a 1 minute perspective. Dice rejected 50 down to 46.30 right now. Bitcoin's still pushing a little bit. 19,250. Thanks for stopping by, everybody. If you are new to the channel, welcome. We do this every day, well, Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. Whether it's a hot market, whether it's slow, whether we're watching paint dry, we're here talking about whatever's moving. And then if we're not talking about whatever's moving, we're talking about whatever nonsense that we want to talk about. Whether it's food or playing Wordle. But we're here every day. What's Joby? No, Joby. Up on 1.1 million volume. It's a bad news.
JBLU.
Yeah, right there it is. Delta is partnering with Joby. So up 16% on that. Nothing crazy. Not getting a whole lot of volume, but it is getting positive price movement. And it was, you know, complete in spill mode. So for it to bounce back to 450 is just right here, when it was $7 like a month ago. But that's pretty much everything. Everything's just dead. Let's see how many stocks we got under $1 now. I know a lot of them have done reverse splits lately. And yes, this is going to include a few warrants. Oh, we've gained a lot lately. Oh, man. I always like to do $1 and under. So as of this very second, there is 611 stocks under $1. $1 or under, I mean. $1 or under. And that will include, yes, some warrants. If I go to float over 1 million, which should take care of the warrants, there is still 571. So 571, and if for some reason there's a stock under $1 that's under 1 million float, then it slid under the cracks. But 571 stocks. And that's with a lot of reverse splits. Usually it was over 500 snacks. It was usually over 500 consistently. Early 2021, we got down to like 6. And we are still going through the great reset right now. I don't really see much. Yeah, it's been floating around 500 for a while, and now it's starting to increase a lot. Like we're up to 600 in like a week. I checked like last week, I think it was 500 and something. Hey, what's up, Striker? Yeah, we are way up there, and I would say we're at over 1,000. Let's look. Let's look at under 2. And I feel like there's going to be a few stocks between 1 and 2 that are under 1 million float, but maybe not. So $2 and under, 1,078. Oh my God. That is nuts. And this excludes the warrants, because the warrants don't have a float. Or I don't think they do, at least. They should. Hold on. I'm gonna any. No. Yeah, actually they do. That warrant does. Only a couple of the warrants do. Okay. Interesting. Anyways, that takes care of most of them. 1,000 stocks under 2. Whoa. Whoa. And then 10 and under is 3,000. Almost. That is nuts. That is nuts. There's small caps have got to start running soon. They have to. Whether it be the escape from the market going to zero, or, you know, the market starts curling back up so things heat up again. It's one of the two, and it's got to happen. Have you seen Sark? No, I haven't looked at that. It's funny that there's some inverse of those now. Yeah, breaking out, baby. Like, there's a Tesla one, too. Yeah. Yeah, it seems like they'll only put them on there if they're, like, high relative volume. or like just had news. Like BTB wasn't on there until I had news or had the run. I don't know if I actually had news, but yeah, art is bad off. Really bad off. That looks nasty. Switch Mullen over. Yeah, Mullins. It's gonna need a reverse split. Sorry to tell you, but if they can reverse split Mullen, I think it can get attention again. 361 million float. What if they did like a 1 for 20 on that?
Mara.
Be 18 million float, or 1 for 50 maybe. So 26 cents times 50. That'd make it too expensive. I don't know if there's anything they can do to get the float low enough with the price low enough without it just absolutely fading off. So if they did 1 for 25, it would make it 14 million float, but the price would be $6. I'm the CEO.
ZY.
RVPH. Yeah, that thing's been blasting off. SpaceX is sending that one up. Not literally, obviously, but looks like a freaking rocket launch from the bottom here. It closed over into the wick zones here yesterday. So yeah, that one's looking good, and it's happening on like no volume either. Yeah, like 500 to 600K volume.
Riot.
I need to start buying Mara anytime it gets near 10. It bounces from 10 every single time.
FNGR.
Finger blast on the scanner. Finger blast. Oh, nothing. Alright, it's time for Wordle. Okay. What's up, Jesus? Diner.
SCYX.
Okay.
RCAT.
okay. Could be LA.
Doma.
Labid. Loud. Okay. Guess it could be L something.
CRBP.
No. Guess it could be ALID. Valid. That's it. That is the one. I think Abrams just got so much competition now. I feel like everybody's got their own meal prep food box service now. And there's no way to hold a monopoly on that unless you're just insanely cheap and good quality, or like your recipes are just absolutely phenomenal.
HMY.
Well, now what?
FNHC.
Oil has kind of pulled back on the daily after this huge breakout it had. Pushing up a little bit right now. Back over 90, but it got as low yesterday as 88.5. The crude pushing back up. The daily, though, that daily downtrend line that it broke that we had in here was big because it ran for, I mean, including the day it broke out, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 straight up days that it had. But then it finally peaked out a little bit. I wonder if this is going to be our high or low on the market. I mean, if we get a recovery bounce today, and then the FOMC minutes come out tomorrow, and we just kind of chop around, and then for some crazy reason, we get better than expected inflation results, maybe we'll start our journey back up a little bit, short term maybe. Maybe this is an outlier candle, this daily here, because you got this touching, then this touching, and then this little outlier, and now you've got this touching as well. So maybe come back up and test this line, which would be, let's see, in the coming days anywhere, you know, 374, 5, and then we maybe start our way back up. Doesn't have to go, you know, all the way to freaking 480 or 4800, whatever you want to call it, but you know, just, you know, slowly start grinding our way higher. We don't have to make new low freaking year every week, you know. But that 350 level is going to be just massive if it does test that. But the slow bleed is just awful.
IB.
APDN. Yeah, I forgot about that. Was that COVID test that they were selling?
RKT.
What does linear DNA do?
LAZR.
Okay, so it's not. I think they just have like a platform. You know, I saw this news come out yesterday. I wasn't even trading. I halted up. Had a good couple, 30 minutes here, 10 to 10:30. After that, it got to where high volume, trade within 10-cent range. Smash, 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 smash. And then it finally, oh, we're breaking out. Nope, smash. Huge. Trade sideways, never go 1 cent lower. Back up again. Just, this is not a normal chart. This is not what charts look like. But that's what's happening right now. Like this, if you just took, this is a little bit more normal. It still had this box right here. But you get like these flags that break out, Sometimes you'll get these tops that fail, but not just this wicky, trappy, gross bottom and upper wick, huge red knife, but still high of day nonsense. It's just disgusting. Let's look at the weekly though to find that weekly level you're talking about. Are you talking about these wicks right here? Or this body maybe? There's a couple, there's a little bit in the 190s, yeah.
FNHC.
Fail. Did you guys win your fantasy football this weekend? Won 2 out of my 3 leagues. I was down 31 going into last night and had Devontae Adams and Daniel Carlson. And they won it for me. I think Devontae Adams had like 27 and Carlson had like 20. Travis Kelce had 4 touchdowns. Pretty wild night of fantasy points. And the Raiders still lost.
SNTI.
Yeah, it looks like, this is the level that this bottom end,
BIMI.
whatever this is, held yesterday. And it held in pre-market already too, so maybe. I'm just gonna start playing video games on the stream. Because the market is just so boring right now.
AMRS.
Let's see what today's Weddle is. Since Adams won it for me, I'm going to start with Devontae Adams. All right, number 17. in the AFC. I thought I had it there. Hey, Fernarchy, what's up? I really thought I had it. AFC North or AFC South? Who else is number 17? QB. I don't keep up with numbers that much. Not Burrow, not Lamar. I have no idea what Kenny Pickett is. Number 8. Okay, so it's AFC South QB. Mariota, I think, is 8. Brady's 12. No, that's oh my god, that's NFC South. AFC South. Trevor Lawrence, what's his number? No idea what his number is. 16. Hannah Hill. Ryan Tannehill. Okay, IMUX2. If I can break over 640, let's look. Just for the sake of looking. Yeah. Daily close at highs. So I was looking at this one yesterday morning, I remember. Had news. Pushed up here. Was kind of topping. Faded off big at open. I had a huge dip. Actually, started to break out off the 20. Logical zone to hold. 520 level. Push up. Smash. Had a red candle all the way to 5 that got bought up. And then this candle set in, tried to push back up, but ended lows. And you had to risk this low wick if you were trying to enter here. You couldn't risk this low wick because you'd get destroyed. And then it had this huge candle came in. And Nike swooshed its way up to highs. With a lot of wicks. With a ton of wicks. So pushed its way up with a bunch of wicks. Flagged here a little bit, which obviously rejected. Tried to push back up here, got smashed. Came back up again. Oh my god, that's disgusting. And the end of day at 3:45, when everybody had already went home, they shoved it up. Yeah, so if it doesn't get through 640, which is, you know, here, 5, that just sounds silly, but in this market, yeah, if it doesn't break 640, let's look for a 530 entry, which just sounds ridiculous. But that's the way the market's acting right now. Gotta go, I mean, it wouldn't surprise me if it knifed down to here. Halted down at 540, opened back up, and halted back up. Like, that's the level of nonsense we're in.
LYFT.
Lyft getting wrecked right now. Has anyone on here ever used Lyft? Serious question. And did you use it without like having a free coupon or a friend that drove? Hey JD, what's up? You've used Lyft before? You've used Lyft? Okay. Man, I've never pulled it up. Never heard of anybody using Lyft. Really? What do they do? Like, what's so much better? You guys are the first people I've ever heard. Oh, it's more popular on the West Coast. Okay. Yeah, Uber is like it over here. Lyft is Lyft just seems like somebody's gonna pick you up with like a bike on the top of their car or like a surfboard, you know, in their back seat. More deals, okay. I mean, if they're trying to be like the cheaper alternative to Uber, oh my god, they are the cheaper alternative to Uber, that's for sure. Look at this. And I guess Uber Eats kind of helps Uber out. It still looks really bad, but that's gross. That's just nasty.
FNHC.
I didn't see anything
Albo.
fresh out. Lyft. Lyft testing new pay algorithm to lure drivers. That's all I see. And that's going to pre-market lows on that.
OBLG.
Yeah, it's trash. It is so trash. Lay's is trying to push up here. I don't like how long it's taking though, because it's just, you know, as it gets tighter and tighter and moves up, it's just setting up for that big knife.
SNTI. Oust.
Oh, that's boring. FNHC is now our top gainer on 2 candles. And no news. I remember this one the other day though was running. Doesn't take much to bounce 100% when you're only 16 cents. What else interesting can we do besides look at stocks? Actually, I'm gonna step away for just a second. Be right back, guys.
PLSE. HYLN.
All right. Nine a.m. news. Wish got a little PR. It's nonsense though.
Zen.
Nothing. Nothing, of course. Yeah, nice. Nice to see some settle. That makes no sense. What does that have to do with anything? But you got your reason. It's that banking thing.
TKC. BIAN.
Well, here we are, guys. Staring at absolutely nothing. I do like fried chicken, yes. I don't eat it that often. I personally like KFC better. But Popeyes is good. I like Popeyes. I think they got like a Cajun one or something, like a spicier one that I really like. But I like KFC better. That's just what we had local, like when I was living with my parents back home. Pioneer chicken? No, we didn't have that. But KFC, I really like both their chicken sandwiches. They're good. Yes, I like spicy food.
GROY.
Yeah, I always get like a spicy chicken sandwich. Hey, brother, what's up? Way back in the day. Well, I can't go that far back because I'm only 28. Is that a place down where you live, Jesus? Oh, okay. Cool. I really like wings, like spicy wings. You know who has some under the radar, like really good wings that I love? Is Pizza Hut. I freaking love Pizza Hut's wings. And I think it's because of their sauce. I really like their buffalo sauce. Oh, it's actually only up here. Okay, gotcha. Just sell the skin. Yeah, that's where the recipe comes in. Yes, I love Pizza Hut's wings. Now the pizza is like very meh. Everything else, but the wings I really like. And it's the buffalo medium or the buffalo burning hot that are really good. Their sauce is better than any Buffalo Wild Wing sauce, I think. But that's the thing I had in my town. We had a Pizza Hut. We didn't have Buffalo Wild Wing. We didn't have anything big. So, you know, I kind of grew up on Pizza Hut wings. That's why I like them so much. Domino's here do a chocolate pizza. Like, is it the crust chocolate or like drizzled chocolate or what? Korean barbecue. I like Korean barbecue. I'm not a huge fan of barbecue sauce. Like just plain old like Sweet Baby Ray's barbecue. Not really. Oh, it's a dessert pizza. Okay, gotcha, gotcha. Rancid. They have like a brownie here at Domino's. It's like a big brownie and something else.
ASTR.
Oh, is it that bad? Oh, I thought you were saying it like it was a good thing. Yeah, let's see. I like little bite-sized hash browns. I don't like the big, you know, like oval, like racetrack shaped ones. This is what our Domino's looks like.
BTX.
Yeah, we have a marbled cookie brownie. That's what it is. Domino's sandwich? Like this? I love me some chicken bacon ranch. That sounds really good. Yeah, or buffalo chicken. I'm just kind of hungry right now, so. All right, let's look. Domino's chocolate pizza. Oh God. That's it right there? That looks awful. What is this? No. Now that looks a little better. That doesn't look like Domino's though. Oh my gosh. Is it like regular crust? It almost looks like cinnamony crust. Yeah, what is that? Now look at this. Now that's how you should make it. You should make it a cookie and cut it in the shape of a pizza. You shouldn't try to make a pizza. Like, what is that? No way that's real. Wait, is that near you? Where's Shaston? Oh my God, that looks like pieces of cheese. That looks like chocolate cheese on top of a calzone.
Tall. Sin.
Oh my God. Oh, that's in the Netherlands. This one says Domino's UK right here. Oh my God. So it's an actual pizza base. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I like steak and cheese. I used to go to Subway a lot, but we have a place called Jersey Mike's here, which I just like better. I always get the, that's not right. Get a hot sub. They do have a, cheesesteak here, but I get the bacon ranch chicken cheesesteak. So it's basically chicken bacon ranch. Jersey Mike's is so good. Like, this looks phenomenal. Steak and cheese. Yeah, so I got all kinds. The portobello mushroom cheesesteak, chipotle cheesesteak, regular Philly cheesesteak. Yeah, Chipotle. Yeah, Chipotle. I actually had Chipotle yesterday. Let me show you guys what Chipotle is. You guys don't have Chipotle there, right? So it's like Subway, basically, but it's for, like, Mexican food. So you tell them what you want. Like, you either get a burrito or a... Oh, come on. before we order, hey, it's allegedly, okay? Allegedly. You still got Taco Bell? Yeah, that's like the McDonald's version of Mexican food. Yeah, why is it not just letting me, whatever. Anyways, you just pick whatever you want and you put it on the bowl. What else do we have that you guys don't have that we could look at? Qdoba's, that's decent. That's very, very similar to Chipotle. I don't know. I think he is. I'm not sure. I saw him say that yesterday. I don't know if he's taking the whole day off or not.
4.
Panera. Yeah, Panera's pretty good. Panera, it's funny because people call this like hospital food, but they have like grilled cheese and tomato soup and like all these like crafted, like it's supposed to be like higher end looking, like hoity-toity type sandwiches. Denny, yeah, Denny's is breakfast. Denny's is like you get your, they have salmon there. It's interesting. See, this is a very American looking meal right here. 8 pancakes, 8 scrambled eggs, 4 bacon strips, 4 sausage links. I guarantee, it says serves 4 to 5. I guarantee somebody here would order that themselves. And they would eat it all. I like IHOP better than Denny's. They're like the exact same place, but Cracker Barrel, yeah, no way they got a Cracker Barrel. Denny's, Donner, Wales. Yeah, wherever Swansea is. Yeah, all the way down here. Yeah. Yeah, Cracker Barrel is good. It's like southern food. Yeah, Callum, you're like way up here, right? Somewhere. That Denny's would take you forever to get to.
Sin.
That's the only one in the UK. Oh my god. As close to the water as possible.
HYLN.
I have no idea where you live up here, but it's somewhere, I think, near this area. It'd take you 5 hours to get there. Yeah, well, Broda's up here, right? You live in Scotland, right, Broda? Not just you're Scottish, but you live in Scotland? Oh, you're way up there. With the Loch Ness Monster. Alright. We still got 15 minutes to the bell. Right here. Warwickshire. Isn't Northern Ireland part of the UK too? Oh, that's where you are. Oh, okay, so not as far. You could hit that Denny's up. You could really hit that Denny's up. It was right here.
New. HITI, tall.
Okay, yeah, we got off on like this insane tangent here, but we get so many of our names, like of our town names, from the UK. Winchester, Salisbury, Bristol, Gloucester, Worcester, Newport. That's an interesting name. Wolverhampton.
FNHC.
Nottingham, that's a place in Massachusetts. Birmingham, yeah, Birmingham, Alabama.
FNHC.
So Rhoda is up here. Where is that at in like relation to? Oh my God, you're like mid Canada.
OFIX.
Rugby. I lost it. Where was that? Oh, right over here.
HLVZ.
Oh, right here. I don't know why it's not showing. Usually shows it in a. Right, here we go. Where's the KFC at? Let's find it. You know it's here somewhere. There it is. There's your KFC. Right next to your McDonald's.
Billing.
Oh yeah, this guy. There's Callum right there. Oh, somewhere. Wouldn't it be funny if I pulled this up and you were like legit in the drive-thru?
FDNY.
Yeah, Callum's in the drive-thru back here somewhere. There's your Subway. There you go. We found your KFC and your Subway. Yeah, well, they're all driving on the freaking left. Yeah, our drive-thrus go the other way.
Sid.
So, like, we would enter here and go around the building that way. The Domino's is there, too. You can tell the market's slow when we're over here. Yep, there it is. Looking at Callum's Domino's. Kid's eating a piece of pizza right here. You know that chocolate pizza's in there. Which way was McDonald's? Let me go back out.
Sent.
Yeah, this looks so strange. Like, it's the opposite way. Like, we would go around this way for a drive-through.
TKC.
Oh, you got a 24 hours McDonald's.
GERN.
Okay,
AEG.
let's see what we got. There it is. There's your town. Oh, man. Okay.
FNHC. FNHC.
So we missed this stock going up, which has no news. Dice is still at 46. Lay's is still at 260. Forg is still sitting right there. It looks like a buyout. And what was even the other one? Apron. Blue Apron. Still. Same spot.
ABCO.
All right. I'm gonna feed the dogs and grab a Dr. Pepper. I'll be back.
Tall. MPW. KT. WIT. CIDM. REVB. TME. JBLU. Me. GWAV. LPL.
All right.
Death.
No joke, I may not take a trade. Market's falling off. Apron and lays, yep. Pretty much. Pretty much. I want to get in one more Weddle. I don't know why this game is so fun to me. Where's Potsy at? All right. See what we got. You're leaning towards apron. Yeah, I mean, pattern looks okay. Yeah, he is. Yep. Hashtag ponytail push, baby. All right. So QB in the AFC over 5'11", under number 3. Under, okay, so he's number 1, 2. Easy.
LUMN. RKLY.
So easy.
PLTR.
All right, let me pull up A and B real quick and look where I play in another game. Yeah.
BC. BBBY. TKC.
At least it's not back to 22 already, but yeah, I mean, it's just trash, man. Trash, trash, trash. Apron was down in the freaking dumps, wasn't it? I got 1 minute to get this. It's gonna be okay. AFC. I don't know any young wide receivers in the AFC East. Jalen Waddle, maybe? It's got to be Waddle.
IAUX.
No. I have no idea how old Gabe Davis is.
Rad. NG.
Okay. I don't know any Jets wide receivers, so. Alright, this is stupid at this point. Oh my god.
FTCH.
Anywho, switch that over. And let's watch for a minute to see what happens. And if nothing happens, then we're just going to roll out. Apron could pop a little bit, I think. Lay's rejecting 280 already. Yeah, he finds the thinnest ones is what he does. And he'll tell his room first so that looks like volume's coming in. Alright. Finger Blast is going down. Market's going down. Mara's going down. Bitcoin's going down. Apron's going down. Yeah, I saw that they were like cyber attacks at something yesterday. But it looks terrible. Pop for 10-15 minutes. All right, that's it. Literally, it's 9:31:45. The scanner's dead.
SCPH. FNHC.
Rejecting here. Market bouncing a little bit here. Little hammer on the market. On Bitcoin, Mara, Riot. Finger Blast is under 8, but testing 8. Okay. All right, buddy. See you later, Cal. Man, this is all we got. Huh. This is it. FNHC's up on nothing. Up to 44 cents. Lay's broke through a little bit. Yeah, appreciate you guys hanging out today. Quite a few people here today. Thanks for the likes. Thanks for the comments, as always. Appreciate my members, the elites, the inner circle supporting the channel. You guys are awesome. Thanks for all my donors. Dice with a really big rounded top there. AMB probably fade the rest of the morning. Apron with a hammer. Did you get that, JD? Lay's 293, 294. Market still trying to fade, so it bounced up a little bit down to 358. Where's their 52 weeks? I don't know. For some reason, I feel like we're going to have a rain day today on SPY. But 357 is our 52-week low. 356.90 something. Maybe we won't. Maybe we'll just die today. But with, you know, FOMC minutes coming up tomorrow, and then CPI numbers on Thursday, I really didn't expect us to fade into that. We'll see if it puts in a higher low here. I mean, wait, is that real? No, that's a program candle. So almost completed the program candle, looks like. There it is. Almost to the money. On SPY, 357.35.
DDF. Neon. Lace. FNHC.
People bought it up a little bit off of that. Finger Blast is finger blasting. Went straight down at open to 780. Now it's pushing up to 830. So that's kind of finger blasting its way straight up. $30-minute doesn't look too bad, which is terrifying. I mean, you don't want a chart to look good in this market. Good charts are the ones that fail. But, I mean, that is peaking over the 30-minute trend line here. Blue Apron. Okay, market lows right here. Getting ready to test 52-week lows in about 30 cents. 35 cents. Yeah, Apron, it went down to pretty much where it freaking was before the news came out this morning. 253. But hammered up. Okay, little hammer here. Yeah, finger doesn't look horrendous. AMC down to 620. So this is the lowest. Let's see, almost. Actually, yeah. AMC just hit 52-week lows. It's the lowest it's been since, man, February of 2021. It went to 525. Gross. GameStop at $25. Bed Bath & Beyond under $5. Wrecked. Yeah, that's a good job. That's a good job. Did you enter on the right side of this bounce, or were you anticipating 250 bounce here?
FNHC. Neon. OBLG.
256. Okay. Yeah, it went to 253. Nice little hammer up though. I should have been watching it, I guess. It was kind of cheap. But it might fade off now with the market, because Apron does like to move with the market, I've noticed. Yeah, 200 on the one.
Neon. OBLG.
APDN, yeah. Nice, nice. My mouse is dying and the charger cord's like on my right over here, or on my left over here, so I'm having to plug it up and like crossbody mouse. Yeah, I knew what you meant. I knew what you meant. I'll probably go 5 more minutes. I'm not really seeing anything I like. Everything's going lows. Market's going low-ish, trying to bounce a little bit. I still think the market could go green today. I really do. I just got that feeling. But it could trade in a range. I mean, maybe it trades in 357 to 360 range all day long. It just, you know, traps both sides, wicks around. You got short on dice? Okay, let me look. Yeah, it was a very clear rounded top. Under VWAP now. You could easily get 42 out of this. We'll see what they do. Imagine if they dropped the offering right now. You got that lucky. Like $30 a share or something. AMC, more 52-week lows. This thing might get a $6 today if it continues. You're right. You are right. You are right. If they did offer at $30 or something, though, it would be better than like at the market. You are correct, though. I didn't think about that.
DPSI, AMB, BGXX, SPN, Albo.
So everything on my watch list that I've had forever, I don't even know why this is still on my watch list, is red besides Apron, Veru, it's up 8 cents, and FRZA, I don't even know why I still have that on my watch list. It was back when the new IPOs were running. The only index I see up is natural gas, up 1.41%. Oil's down, wheat's down, SPY's down, marijuana's down, Russell 2000's down, Bitcoin's down. AMC, GameStop, Bed Bath & Beyond, Fubo, down. Siga down to $9. Where's old Peggy and Lucy at? Those two been screwing around for days, trapping people. So trapping again, looks like Peggy. This one, remember, up on absolutely nothing. It started days ago. And if you say, oh, it's solar, it's falling solar. No, it's not. EMPH has been getting wrecked upon. So this has just been a calculated push by, you know, whoever on Peggy. They just trap and repeat, trap and repeat, trap and repeat. And then Lucifer. Yeah, that one finally looks like it's done. That first day, it tried some nonsense, but it ended up dying. And that was on No News as well. That's what we like. CYRN is, you might get your short on CYRN if it bounces here, Cal. Finger Blast. Yeah, Finger Blast is trying to Finger Blast. Had it up on the 30-minute chart a minute ago, breaking the downtrend. Over 850, maybe 875, 9. But I think I'm done. I really don't see anything that I even remotely like. Yeah, Peggy's ridiculous. You guys know this song. You know what it means. This is the outro. Thanks for showing up today, guys. Thanks for the likes, the comments, hanging out. It was a very slow day, very boring. We looked at Google Maps, whatever else, but I'll be back tomorrow. Peace.